ARM systems are caging plant managers in a paperwork prison. What?
That's a good one.
How? Well, what you mean by that?
What you mean, man? What I mean by that is risk management as a practice. Where does that usually sit within an organization, Ken?
Risk management. Where have I seen risk management? Sometimes in strategy or finance.
Finance is normally a place for risk to go. It's some place for it to be.
Because it's associated with insurance, and who does insurance? The financial people. I get it. Okay.
You got it. So let's talk about it from a couple of different ways. 57% of organizations have
That's more than half.
Have no dedicated asset risk manager. So that's globally, right? So over 50% of asset-intensive industries don't have anybody that's tasked with managing risk associated with assets. Let that linger.
Yeah, that's kind of scary, because if these assets are the things you need to run your business, you would think that somebody looking after those assets would be a high priority, right?
Right.
Is that too simplistic?
I think that's spot on. Let's talk about some of the outcomes of that. So if you have 57% that don't, let's talk about some of the challenges with the portion that do. The portion that do, that risk officer is normally part of the CFO office. Hopefully they're part of operations, but by and large, they're part of the CFO's office. And the exercises that they're running through around risk management are largely insurance driven. So they're largely, what do we have to do to fill out the correct paperwork once a year to be able to provide that to my insurer to renew my policy on the best terms possible? So what I mean by locking maintenance managers in the paperwork prison.
Plant managers, chained by outdated asset management systems and drowning in paperwork. But wait, watch those chains break as we...
Once or twice a year, you get asked to fill out a whole bunch of paperwork that are disconnected from the reality of what you have to deal with on a day-to-day basis. That's hard to gather, hard to understand, hard to submit. That maybe mitigates the risk of the insurance company, but it doesn't do anything for you operationally, because it's something that you have to do once a year off the side of your desk that takes a bunch of time that really doesn't add a lot of value.